Hey, sweetie, let's start to save the cute puppies. Alright, choose a puppy you want to help. Molly. Oh, poor little thing. Please do help her. The puppy has got out of danger. Well done, doctor. Doctor, the puppy seems injured. Can you cure the puppy, please? Let's check if the puppy got sick or not with the Dexter instrument. You found the affected part. Let's fix it now. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. Has been fixed. One less affected part left. Please find it out. Hey, look! The puppy has recovered. Amazing! Thank you so much. Let's give the puppy a shower. Then, please rinse the foam away with the water. The puppy seems hungry. Well, let's feed the puppy something good. You can play with the puppy here. Give the toys below to the puppy, then play together. The puppy really likes you. 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 You can drag the decorations onto the puppy. This suit looks just perfect. The puppy seems satisfied with this suit. The puppy seems satisfied with this suit. Wonderful! picture of your puppy outside, click the camera icon to take a photo. You can also click the top right button to take a snap with the puppy together. Please preserve this photo. Thank you, doctor. The puppies are doing very well with your help. Want to record the experience for the puppy? Alright, choose a puppy you want to help. Cupid. Huh? What's that? Let's open it. Doctor, the puppy seems injured. Can you cure the puppy, please? You found the affected part. Let's fix it now. Has been fixed. Good job! Yes, an affected part has been fixed. Good job! One less affected part left. Please find it out. Look, the puppy has recovered. Amazing! Thank you. Let's give the puppy a shower. Then, please rinse the foam away with the water. Alright, finally your puppy is clean. The puppy seems hungry. Well, let's feed the puppy something good. You can play with the puppy here. You can drag the decorations onto the puppy. Wonderful! This suit looks just perfect. Wonderful! Come on, take a picture of your puppy outside. Click the camera icon to take a photo. You can also click the top right button to take a snap with the puppy together. this photo. Please preserve this photo. Thank you, Doctor. The puppies are doing very well with your help. Alright, choose a puppy you want to help. Buck. Oh, poor little thing. Please do help him. Doctor, the puppy seems injured. Can you cure the puppy, please? You found the affected part. Let's fix it now. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. Yes, an affected part has been fixed. One last affected part left. Please find it out. Hey, look! The puppy has recovered! Amazing! Thank you. Let's give the puppy a shower. Then, please rinse the foam away with the water. Alright, finally your puppy is clean. The puppy seems hungry. Well, let's feed the puppy something good. You can play with the puppy here. You can drag the decorations onto the puppy. Wonderful! This suit looks just perfect. This suit looks just perfect. Wonderful! Come on, take a picture of your puppy outside. Click the camera icon to take a photo. You can also click the top right button to take a snap with the puppy together. Please preserve this photo. you, doctor. The puppies are doing very well with your help. Alright, choose a puppy you want to help. Hey, sweetie, let's start to save the cute puppies.